Hello everyone, this is Gary Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to use the power of the subconscious mind to succeed. So if you like the video related to manifest power, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with lot of information. So here we begin. Let's go. How to use the power of the subconscious mind to succeed. Your subconscious mind is a powerful force to be reckoned with. It makes up around 95% of your brain power and handles everything your body needs to function properly, from eating and breathing to digesting and making memories. It's a very strange being when you think about. The subconscious mind is not creative. It does not understand jokes and it can remember everything you have ever done, said, or witnessed. The remaining 5% of your brain, the conscious mind, has the sole purpose of interacting with the physical world. However, by taking control of your subconscious mind, by becoming aware and in synchronize with it, you can be sure to take back control of your life and basically achieve anything you want to. This is because when your subconscious mind and your conscious mind is working together to achieve a common goal, you can believe that it will happen. This video shows this process. Now, visualize your success. The first and most important factor you will need to consider when it comes to tapping into your subconscious mind so you can succeed in anything you like is to visualize what you want and what your goal is. According to a study conducting in 1996 at Michigan State University, 46% patients who received instructions in images were more likely to follow their home care plan. Now, Jeffrey Haber, a lifestyle coach, explained this can be anything, no matter how big and small they are, whether it's giving your children a good upbringing or getting a promotion to living comfortably with money or moving to a new country. It's completely up to you. Without defining what you want, there is no way you will be able to achieve it. Now, practice getting in touch with your mind. Meditation has long been renowned for being a great way to get in touch with your subconscious mind to see how it is really working. Even just practicing with 10 minutes a day can have huge benefits on the way your mind works and the health of your well-being. Now, Jennifer Olson, a lifestyle writer, says exercise is also so important, not only for your physical body but the state of your mind. I normally start my day with a 20-minute yoga session followed by a 10-minute meditation session as soon as I get out of bed, just to get the day off to the best start. Now, start developing your writing skills with a first thought. Writing from the subconscious mind may seem like an abstract concept. Whether you plan on starting a daily journal or even writing a story, you would be surprised that the subconscious mind play a huge part in what we write, and therefore is a great way to get in touch with it. So our subconscious mind absorbs so much information and ideas, much of which does not even pass through our subconscious mind, making it a great resource when it comes to getting ideas down on paper or on a screen. Also, writing allows you to reach your subconscious emotions and thought. Sites like State of Writing and Academy Advisor have some great resources you can use when it comes to forming a writing habit. This is a powerful technique. Now it comes to set goals. You might goals already present in your mind that you think about every now and then, but that doesn't mean that they are goals that you are aiming for. According to a study conducted by Dr. Gail Matthews, 43% of people who regularly write down their goals and dreams are more likely to achieve them. Now, the Michael Parker, a life coach and founder of Site IT, exclaims, by writing down your goals and setting them, even if you write down the same thing every single day, the act of writing and reading them back to yourself is a great way to get your subconscious mind in touch with what your conscious mind wants, and it can start taking steps to making it happen. Now, look after yourself. This is a broad subject, but it's so vital that you follow if you want to succeed. Looking after yourself means eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, drinking enough water every day, and making the best decision to look after your body and your mind. Now, by feeling and looking after your body in the right way, you can be sure that you will be operating to an optimal level, making it no brainer that both your subconscious and conscious mind are working at their very best to make your dreams a reality. Now, what did you think of this video? Want to see more like this? Let us know in comments below. For further reading, so subconscious is something which we cannot deal with directly. It's a state of mind which controls all of your actions, all of our actions. Way to control it with our conscious mind is impossible, because our conscious mind itself is a subset of subconscious mind. So here are the techniques I read to control subconscious mind. Hold your breath, thinking strongly of what you want your subconscious mind to be. Holding your breath creates an emergency, which is when the subconscious mind comes to action, and as you strongly think, it receives signals and it can be molded. The second part, following your conscience. Then the third part, there is a saying, when you start doing this continuously for 40 days, you will continually to do it without much effort. As you repeatedly do something, your subconscious mind records the action and continues to play it at this time specified. Ultimately, I would say that subconscious is also part of you. It's just that you don't have access to it. But when you decide to transform it with all your effort, it listens to you and as it belongs to you. Now, that's all about the manifestation in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely comes with the next video with my another content. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. God bless you. Take care.